Well, do y'all ever have messes like this? Leaking water floats. I don't know if you can see it or not. And of course it happens to be in the bullpen. And everybody wants to help. At least they're not mean. That's the one good thing. Get. Oh, get. Eat it. This is a brass water trough float valve, and this is the thing we were repairing over at the trough. However, this was all underwater. You could not see what it looked like. But anyway, this is a plunger right here, and there is a rubber washer disc on the bottom of this plunger that seals it off whenever the float gets raised. All right, I had to take this cotter pin out right here. I slipped this cotter pin out, took this off, and this just comes right out. And the rubber disc on the bottom just snaps in place. But this is the part I was repairing. Hope this helps. This particular trough doesn't have a cutoff valve anywhere. So I just opened a bunch of faucets over at the house and turned the pump off, and we'll see how long it takes to go down. There's a cotter pin out. There's the float assembly. And there's the seal, the button that turns it on and off. I think it's just old and wore out. Real hard. It's not soft anymore. I'm going to replace this rubber washer here on the bottom with this rubber washer, and we'll see if it'll work. This washer, you can just pry that out of the end of that with your pocket knife or something sharp, and it'll pop right out, and replace it with a new one. Okay. Looks just like the old one. We'll see if it works better. Sometimes have a little trouble getting this cotter pin back in there, especially if the trough is full of water. that wasn't too hard. This float is a little bit high, so I'm going to adjust it down just a little. Alrighty, I think that'll do it. Wasn't very much. Okay, that's done. All I got to do now is go turn the water faucets off and turn the well back on. You really need to know where all those spots are.